Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We're gonna do something really fun today. I was watching one of my videos, Angel Hair, and I will link it up here for you. And I was watching that angel wing pour, and it was so pretty, and it got me thinking about what if we wrecked an angel wing pour. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I have a 15 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas here from Artist's Loft. Got from Michael's. Let me show you my colors real quick. This one is Artist's Loft Naples Yellow. It is leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. This one is also Artist's Loft Red Ochre, leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. This one is also Artist's Loft Cobalt Metallic Cobalt Blue. That's it. Leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. Then I have my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold, also leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. And I have DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels in pure white, mixed with Artist's Loft white in Flow Acrylic. And then last but not least, I do have one Golden's color. This is the Golden's Fluid Acrylic Copper, Iridescent Copper. And to thicken it up, I have added a little bit of Elmer's glue all to it, just so it gets to that same consistency of mound on a mound on a mound of everything else. So I did a test pour that was really, really neat, and I'm really excited. I love this palette. I love that red ochre. It's so gorgeous. So let's get started and layer our cup. The test one I did, I had a white base coat, but I was thinking I might want to use a turquoise as a base coat. I don't know, because it looked really, really pretty. All right. Let me see. What should we start with? Let's start with some of this red ochre. I'll put a little bit more actually. Okay. Now I'm going to go into some Naples Yellow. That's such a pretty color. I really like that one. Okay, I'm going to put some copper in now. And we're going to go into our turquoise. I'm sorry, metallic cobalt blue. Not turquoise. I really like this color. It's very, very pretty. I'm going to put some gold in. Go back to the red ochre. And I'm going to put some, let's go copper. And the Naples Yellow. A little bit of white. Back to the gold. And I'm going to put some turquoise in again. And I'm going to put a little more of that in with that. Okay. So there's our cup. That should be pretty good. Now, do I want to do white or turquoise or a combination? Maybe a combination. That might be interesting. Okay. Because I liked the white, but it was a little stark, and the metallic cobalt blue was so pretty with the red ochre and the copper and the gold layer on top of it. Right. I'm going to put some white down. And I'm going to put some metallic cobalt in there also. And I'm going to spread it out. Oops. Ninja swipe by accident. Okay. I'm just going to go this way to kind of smooth it all out and give it the same direction, since we're going to be pouring from up there. Okay. So that's good. So this is going to go this way. We're going to pour down that way. So I'm going to take my little goatee friend over here, because I'm a sea goat too. We're going to put him right underneath to give us a little bit of an angle. I did put a little bit more gold and a little bit more turquoise on there. So, let's go. Are you guys ready? torch it real fast. Okay. All right, so let's tilt this. Okay, we're gonna go just down and kind of walk it side to side a little bit. Oh wait, I was gonna wreck it, huh? Ooh, it's so hard to do it at the last second. Okay, I'm gonna use my turquoise stick. I'm gonna go like this. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna tilt it. Go off that edge. Go back to the side. The weight of the paint is all right here. I don't want to take it that way. So we're going to go up and down that side. Down and then off that side. I'm going to take the paint down that way a little bit just to sort of even this out. Open this edge up over here. I want to take this edge off so that it's solid over there. So let's look at it. I like all of this. I love this. I really like the wreck. That's so pretty, and I love this edge against that red ochre. I like this side. I like this side. The only part I don't really like is right here. I don't like the white, which is interesting because I only put white in the cup once. So we're going to tilt some of this off, and maybe that'll open this up too. So where's the weight of the paint? It's about here, and we're just going to let that side go off where that white is until we get to the turquoise. There we go. Okay. Get that last little bit off. There we go. Okay, I like that much better. That white was very distracting. Okay. All right, take it back down just a little bit. Oh, that's very cool. Probably could have used a little bit more wrecking. But I like this a lot. I think it's really pretty. I love the center part with the red ochre. It's very, very cool. I love this part over here. Against that red is gorgeous. So this is neat. I'm going to torch it one more time because I see a lot of air bubbles in the center and we want to pop those. I'm just gonna go find where the drip was right there, and I'm gonna follow the natural lines that are already in the pour and just change it like that. Okay, so let's torch it, and then we'll be done with this direct wing pour. Say that 3 times fast. Start sounding like Elmer Fudd. This part's so pretty. Okay. That's cool. All right. This one is done. So I will show you this one when it's dry. Okay, so this is a few days later. Look at how cool this turned out. That is so beautiful in here. All of these amazing lines. Just gorgeous separation. Can you see that bling in the gold? So pretty. Really, really pretty part over here. A little bit of that white and the red ochre and the metallic cobalt blue. Gorgeous lines over here. That's so cool. I love how this one turned out. Really, really neat right in here. Really crisp. Very cool. I love that red ochre color. It's so pretty. So you see these rippling waves spreading out. Kind of a creek going in between them. I'm going to call this one Ripple Creek. I love this. It's so pretty over here. That sparkle. Just gorgeous. Very, very cool. Kind of reminds me of flowers, like poppies or something over here. And this part where we wrecked it, very cool. Kind of like a bridge. My husband of Awesome was saying we should call it the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. I don't know if you guys have seen that one. I'll put a link for you. Oh my god, it's so freaky. So no, it's not the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. We're gonna call this one Ripple Creek. I love these lines though. Look how gorgeous that is. So this one is a 15 by 30 angel wing pour. It turned out really, really neat. So I think I should have wrecked it a little bit more through the center instead of so much on the edges, and that way we would have kept more of it. But there's still, you see this area over here, you see the wrecked part. And then up in here. Very, very pretty, very cool. Again, big thank you to Molly of Molly's Artistry for her wrecking technique. Very cool stuff. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I love to hear what you guys say in your comments. You're so funny and so cool. Honestly, I feel so blessed. I have the nicest people. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is Ripple Creek. I will see you for the next one. Have a great day.